In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count cells with specific text in Google Sheets. If you're working with a spreadsheet that includes labels like completed, pending, or in progress, it's very useful to be able to count how many times a certain word appears in a range of cells. Google Sheets makes this easy with a simple formula called countif. To begin, go to Google Sheets and open the spreadsheet where you want to do the count. Make sure you're looking at the sheet that contains the text values you want to analyze. This method works especially well for tracking statuses, categories, or repeated labels in a list. Next, select a blank cell where you want the result to appear. This is the cell that will display the total count, so it's a good idea to place it somewhere easy to find without covering any of your existing data. Once that cell is selected, type the countif formula. Countif is used to count how many cells in a selected range match a specific condition. In this case, the condition is a text value. The example formula is equals countif, open parenthesis, C1 through C11, comma, quotation mark, completed quotation mark, and then close parenthesis. Written out, that looks like this, equals countif, open parenthesis, C1, colon C11, comma, quotation mark, completed quotation mark, close parenthesis. Here's what that formula is doing. The range C1 to C11 tells Google Sheets where to look. The word completed inside quotation marks tells it exactly what text to count. So if that word appears several times anywhere in cells C1 through C11, Google Sheets will count each match and return the total. Be careful to type the text exactly as you want to count it, and make sure the cell range includes all the cells you want to search. If your data is in a different column or extends farther down the sheet, simply adjust the range to match your spreadsheet. When you've entered the formula, press Enter. Google Sheets will immediately calculate the result and show the number of cells that contain that specific text. That's all it takes. By selecting a result cell, entering a countif formula, and pressing Enter, you can quickly count matching text in your sheet. This is a simple but powerful way to summarize data and keep your spreadsheets easier to read and manage.